In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote impact affiliate link without a website and make money. If you don't have impact affiliate account, I'll drop a tutorial in the description box. So these are the brands I'm working with so far, and the fact that you have impact affiliate account doesn't mean you will be automatically guaranteed an affiliate program, because each and every affiliate program is different. So you have to apply individually within impact affiliate program. So I thought of establishing that. All right, so in today's tutorial I'll promote CapCut, right? And CapCut is one of the best video editing app right now, not just for video editing but for graphic design and stuff like that. To get to this page, just click on brands up here, then you click on my brands, and all the brands that you are working with will drop. So first I need to grab the link, and there are two ways to get the affiliate link. So when you have the click, I can just use this, but I don't like using this one because when you copy, when I click on check and I copy, I'll show you, and I go to Google and I drop it here. This is a link, it doesn't have the HTTPS, which is the log sign. So let me show you something. If I double click and I move over, you see the HTTPS. That means this website is secure. Now, when you are promoting something like this, people don't find it secure, all right? So I don't like using it. I'll use the other route. Hover and click on assets. Even though it's gonna work, but I don't like using it. But if you are embedding, that's fine. There are so many properties or images or assets that you can work with depending on the website you want to promote this. All right, so but in this tutorial I'll go with this one. I'll click CapCut Pro or CapCut Test. Let me try both. If the test will work, I'll go with it. Let me just click on it and go to tracking link and copy code incognito. Drop it here and open. Let's see, subscribe now and get 7 days of free pro, which is good because this is a way to entice people to try it for 7 days, and after that they can subscribe. All right, so I guess this is good, and you have to make sure you check the site that you are directing people to, all right, or the site that the affiliate link is directing people to. It's very, very important. All right, so I will leave it like this, and the reason why it's always good to leave it, so if you want to create a content, you can create a content around it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll keep it, and later on I'll show you what I want to do with this. All right, so I'll go back, and by the way, don't use this link. I'll show you the link to use. So this is the link, this is the affiliate link, and that's what I'm gonna use, but I'll save it somewhere. So you can save it on Google Doc. I use Grammarly, so I'll keep it here, and I'll push it down up, and I'll say CapCut. All right, just so I know what I'm dealing with. Everything you drop here, it's saved automatically because it's all right and it's free. So let me close this. All right, so I'll just exit, leave it like this just in case. So instead of dropping it here, you can also leave it here like that. It's up to you. Now, the platform I'll use to promote this product is Pinterest. This is one of the websites that most affiliates underestimate. I would say it's one of the best, or number one by far, the best traffic source you can use to promote affiliate links, because the website by default is set up to promote links. All right, so it doesn't matter where the link is going, but they want you to make sure you don't hide the link. They don't want you to hide the link. They are readers to know where the link is going, and the way you promote on this platform is through pins. I'll show you how to create the pin, and I'll show you the simple strategies you need to use to get clicks. So make sure you watch everything to the end. All right, so now the platform I'll use to create this pin is Canva. All right, so I'll use Canva to create these pins. So first I'm gonna click here in the search bar and type Pinterest. All right, so I'll use this 1000 by 1005 and scroll down. The trick here is to use a template with a photo on it, like a human being, especially the smiling ones, something like this. Don't just use anything. You have to make sure people will be in love with what they are reading. See, something like this is not bad. I like this one. All right, and by the way, if you don't have Canva account, I'll drop the link in the description box. I have a bunch of tutorials on Canva. All right, and it's easy to use. I've used this. I'll grab one and I will run with it because I don't want to waste your time. I'm just showing you So in today's tutorial, I'll use this one, but in your case, if you're on the free version, you can use this. So I'll click on it and I'll customize this template. And all right, so let's check here. So now I need to write something here. Now you have, but the trick is, however, see right here, it says subscribe now and get 7 days of free pro. I'll try and use this, but in a way that it should make sense. So what I'll do, I'll cut this. So however, I have a sniping tool and it's a Chrome extension. Please install it and you will need it. So I click on it and I'll click new and I'll snipe it right here like that. I can make adjustment if I want. Now I'll click here to copy, or you can right click on it and copy, and I'll go back. Sorry. All right, I will move this down, Control V, and paste this. Now before that, sorry, I'll try, let me put it here. I need an element with a white background, so click here and change the color to white. In your case, you can drop it like that, but I want it to stand out a bit. That's why I'm doing something like this. All right, so Control X or Command X, then Control V again. So this time around, when you drag it, it should be in front. Then I can move this up a bit. Then you can play with it to see find what you need. All right, so you make sure it snaps in the middle, something like this, but it's up to you. Then I'll move this up and I'll say the best video. Let me push this down up, so something like that. Then push this down underneath. All right, so CapCut, the best video app. Then I'll change this. I'll delete these things. If you want your website to come down here, you can use this, but normally I don't like using it because I'll drop my website anyway. Then I'll say amazing results. Let me give edit effect. So you click on effect, scroll down, outline, and I'll give this, let's say white, or this orange. No, white. Click outside the box. All right, also you can change the font by clicking up here and scroll down and look for something catchy. So let me use this, and I'll use this as well. All right, so I need an arrow. I guess I'll use this one. Let's change this color to this and see. All right, so I'll keep it like this, but it's easy to use. Like I said, I'll drop a tutorial on how to use Canva because I don't want this video to be long. All right, so we need to optimize it. So I'll click up here and type CapCut video editor. But guess what? People will be searching for best video editor. So this is how I go about it. Then to download, click share, download, and then download again. So now it's gonna download. It's downloaded, and it's not this image. This is a template I use, but the image, I'll show you quick. This is the image. All right, so now we're done with this. So I'll go back to Pinterest. So now I'll upload the pin. To do so, hover to the left, click on Pinterest app, and right here, create pin under organic. Then I'll go and upload it. So it's up here. In your case, it might show up. I'll drag and drop it here. Bam. So guess what? This is what I will do. Copy and go back here. Let me close these things because I'm not gonna need it. I'm done with this, so I'll close all of them. All right, so I will paste this here, and let's see what is here in the first place. Let's check. CapCut is an AI powered all-in-all one creative platform, offers video editing and image design capabilities. All right, so I'll go back here. Actually, let me copy this. I'll need it. So I'll go back here and I'll say try CapCut Pro for free. I'll put this to bracket. All right, so description, I'll just drop this and I'll rewrite this. So AI powered. So always make sure you start with the keyword because you want the keyword to be first. So in this case, it's CapCut. So now we have to rewrite this. CapCut AI powered. So I'll say CapCut. All right, comma, the best AI powered all-in-one creative platform that offers video editing and image design capabilities. Image design, I'll change this for content creators. Trying to rewrite this, the AI powered all-in-one creative platform that offers video editing and image design for content creators. But I'm not running away with the entire script that I copied from the CapCut website. All right, so I'll change this, the best AI powered and all-in-one creative platform that offers video editing and image design for content creators. All right, so something like this. Then I'll scroll down. So now I need to go get my affiliate link. So I'll go back here and copy. All right, like I said from the beginning, you can copy and paste this somewhere, or you can leave the page like this and switch windows. And so click in here and Control V to paste it. Now, please don't try to shorten the link because Pinterest, they don't like that. Drop the affiliate link the way it is. If the link is directing people to a site that they have to sign up right away, they find it a bit spammy. In this case, there's a test that people have to read over here too, and images and stuff. So this people will read before they sign up. All right, so something like this is good. So choose a board. So click here. If I have a board already like this one, AI and tech, I'll drop it in here. If not, I can create a new one by clicking here and create, but I'll put it in the board. So when you click here, all you have to do is just give it a name and that's it. So I'll click and I'll give it a name. So let's say I'll say CapCut, then after click on create, but I don't want to do that. So I'll click board and select AI and tech, then tags. So CapCut and video editing. All right, so something like this. Then the next thing to do, make sure you check everything, and if you like what you have, and make sure your title is okay. Try CapCut Pro for free, 7 days. All right, you know what, I need to tweak this a bit. So you know what, I made a mistake. The title, the keyword has to start CapCut editing or editor. Try the pro version for free, into brackets, 7 days. All right, so something like this is good. All right, so because I have my keyword here and I have video editor or video editing also as keyword, then click on publish. All right, so view. All right, so this is how it's gonna look like. CapCut, the best video app, then amazing results. This is the link. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.